What if Abraham Lincoln survived? April 14th, 1865. Abraham Lincoln is shot. But imagine he survives. How would America look today? Lincoln favored reconciliation after the Civil War. Instead of harsh punishment, he wanted reintegration. After his death, Reconstruction became chaotic and bitter. If Lincoln lived, he may have enforced civil rights more strongly. Southern resistance might have been managed differently. The rise of white supremacist groups like the Ku Klux Klan might have been weakened earlier. Lincoln surviving could mean stronger federal enforcement of black voting rights, less room for Jim Crow laws, a different trajectory for racial segregation. Civil rights might advance decades earlier. Or Southern backlash could intensify even more violently. Lincoln was a unifier. His leadership style might have reshaped political culture. America may have developed a stronger tradition of reconciliation over revenge. If Lincoln survived, Reconstruction may succeed. Civil rights progress earlier. Political division might soften or explode. One bullet changed the course of American history, but survival might not have guaranteed harmony.